I'm running badblocks on 8 2 terabyte hard drives simultaneously, and I thought the controller activity LEDs was kind of cool. So cool. Camera won't focus. There we go. You can't see all the drives, but there. This is my shit NAS. There's 4 drives there, and another 4 under there, which will eventually either connect to this host using this controller, or I'll put it directly into my VM host as a second array, Linux software RAID. But I think 4 of the 8 2 terabyte drives here may be failing. And a friend of mine, Joe's Vax Repair and More, suggested I do badblocks on the drives with reallocated sectors, and I figured, well, if I'm running it on 4 of the drives, might as well do all 8. So have it all up in a tmux session here. That's one of them. I can switch through the rest. As you can see, it's going to take a while. So